you doing eating something vaguely phallic, boy? We don't do that down here. We're good. You go me, boy. You real.
Hey, Clown, get down from there.
Family, I woke up from a stupor to tell you I got something to say. My brother's dead, and we ain't gonna bring him back. He was killed by nature and not me. It was a sad thing, a mighty terrible thing, but you know, all people die. Can I get a yeehaw?
Yeah!
Yeehaw. Amen. And I'm really sad about it, I really am, but you know, we got business to attend to. What we really need to be concerned about isn't my dead brother who we can forget all about now. It's Norwer. That young fella, Fortinbras. Foot unmentionables. He's the real problem. He's been rustling up our cattle out on the farms. We need to go out there and give him a good switch beating. Take some switches and just beat his booty. Woo! Can I get a woo? Woo! Yeah. He's been stirring up trouble, and his old father, he's got the palsy. He's been shaking like an Alabama steer with the lightning sickness. We need to send him a letter, real all well and good. What we need to do is we need to send old Foot Unmentionables a good, nice, mean letter. Yeah, we need to send him something. Hey, lackey, because we aren't allowed to own slaves anymore, hold this for me. We need to send him a letter. Oh no, this is the thing I'm bad at. Okay, how do you spell the? It's got a D, isn't it? It's a D. Okay. There we go. We gotta threaten him real good. We gotta scare him. We gotta threaten him. Back off. Bud. There we go. Pseudo-slave. Grasp.
Yes, sir.
Take that to Foot Mentionable. Unmentionable.
Yes, sir, right away,
Something for your
sir.
troubles. There you go. The next thing we need to look to is our future sister shaggers. This is the biggest issue. But,
Hey, Claude,
Larry, what do you want?
I want to go back home.
Where you living?
The Riverside Shaggin' Shack.
The what?
The Riverside Shaggin' Shack.
Isn't that the place where you can pay extra and have that beer piped in instead of water?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, sure. Go back there and do me a favor. Tell what's her name, Christine there. I said hi. Woo! God, I sure am good at settling business. I feel proud of myself, and oh, what is wrong with you, sunshine?
A little more than kin, and you diddled my mom.
I don't see, is that an insult?
You guys are practically brother and sister.
This is the South.
Incest, my friend.
Listen, Hamlet. Enough of this mother and whatever the incest thing was. But I gotta ask you, why you got so much color in you? Veiled lids.
I'm wearing these dark colors because Sunday morning is coming down. And you don't give a hoot about my great dad, Stonewall Jackson, who's gonna save the South again even after his death.
My dear, dear Hamlet, listen. I care about you. I love you like my own son. I let you go. Like my own son. And I know that you want to go back to school in Wittgenstein or whatever it is, and you want to study whatever it is. A basic edition, whatever they teach at universities nowadays. You don't need to do that. Look what we got here. We got tons of whiskey and racism. That's more riches and knowledge than you could ever get. So why don't you just stay here? Learning's for nerds anyway.
Uncle, I'll trust your good judgment.
Lance, my boy, you'll make your mother proud. She was so sad she couldn't even make it into this scene. Come on, let's go.
Babe, I gotta leave. I gotta set sail down to Mississippi. But I better hear back from you.
Do you doubt that?
You fooled me before. I won't let you fool me again.
Oh, won't do it again.
You know that boy Hamlet? You shouldn't trust him. He's a bad influence. He won't do you any good. He been drinking. He been smoking. He done nothing but do that.
Hey, kid. Hey, Lurdy. How you doing?
Doing pretty good. Going set sail in Mississippi.
Going down to Mississippi? Nice people down in Mississippi. What you gonna do down in Mississippi?
You know, just looking to start a new life.
Oh, nice, nice. Well, you better get on out. Yeah. Ophelia, how you doing?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
What were you and Lurdy talking about?
Hamlet?
Oh, that Hammy. I don't like him.
Oh,
Don't see him anymore.
no. Why?
Dumb hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, no more. No.
All right.
Yeah.
Hamlet, follow me.
Oh shit, a ghost! Pop, pop! Get back here, boy! I think I gotta follow this here Confederate hero.
Hammy, not a good idea.
The South will rise again!
Boy, you better not. Mom's gonna be pissed.
Don't tell me what to do. I can do whatever the hell I want to do.
God dang it, Hamlet!
I can control this guy. But Trump!
Something smells like ass in the state of Kentucky.
Who goes in? Nathan Bedford Forrest, Robert E. Lee, General Stonewall Jackson.
General Stonewall Jackson.
Pa!
Let's have a seat.
what's going on.
I've been wondering these sparks, floating like a spirit for a long time now. Son, you must have been my murderer.
Murder?
Rattlesnake that beat your dad now drinks his beer. I was taking a snooze on a Sunday afternoon while he put ammonia in my whiskey. Damn bastard. Don't let the oil bed of Missouri be a couch for incest. Don't lose your marbles. Your mother did nothing wrong.
My mother is a dirty, dirty scamp.
Don't listen to what they say, son. It's all rumors. My dear son, avenge me.
I will, Pa.
The South will rise again.
I will focus on raising the South. I will stay off the Jenkum for over a week. I will campaign so hard for Donald Trump. I have to kill that liberal, burning sandals supporter, Claudius. The South will rise again.
Hamlet, what's happening?
Swear you didn't see that ghost.
I swear! I swear!
Well, let's get moving.